Did you hear what happened? We have automated thank you and reminder emails, texts, and review generation for our Ad Club members through new software that we've obtained that we're able to have a scheduling calendar, have it sync with your QuickBooks Online. We can also sync it with several different services, but we've been doing that successfully for some of our Ad Club members for a few weeks, and we've been doing it for free for Ad Club members. Now, the free part of this is going to be ending very soon, and we'll get to that in just a few minutes. But there are services that you can pay hundreds of dollars per month for this same type of thing, but we've been doing it for free for our Ad Club members. Now, what we're doing now that's even more exciting is we're adding to this software. We're going to be adding monthly emails based on the season, based on spring, based on holidays, based on the month. And we're going to be educating your clients through those emails, and we're going to build that right into the software. Now, sometimes you might have AWeber or Constant Contact where you're paying them a monthly fee and spending all sorts of time developing those emails. All of it will be automatically put inside of your software, and it's already done. The email's already done. All you'll have to do is essentially hook up the email service. We'll talk about that in just a second, and change your logo out, change your phone number out. But basically, the email's totally done, set, it all done for you, and it's all automated. And we even have ways where if you just want to pay us a small fee, we can even change the logo out and totally customize it for you as well if you want it completely automated and completely done for you. Now, what we've talked about with this is automating your appointment reminders, where you can actually have an appointment schedule on your website if you'd like to. That's included with this. Or you can have it on your phone or on a desktop computer. Automating your reviews so that you can automatically get text reminders and email reminders sent to your clients after cleaning, immediately after cleaning, for review generation for Google, Facebook, Yelp, whatever you want to do. Also, thank yous after cleaning that help you solicit referrals and thank your clients. It's so important to thank your clients. Also, text and email and even voicemail drops if you choose to do that for scheduling new cleaning. 6 months, 12 months, 2 years down the road, whatever you decide to do. All of that is very, very customizable. Now, when we're doing the text messages for thank yous and reminders, they're being done for as little as 1 to 2 cents per text, which is fantastic. So a lot of other services charge 10 cents or more for the same type of text message. Voicemail drops. We're doing voicemail drops for you for 10 cents per completed drop. That's a drop to your client's voicemail that doesn't ring, and it's only 10 cents for the actual completed drop. So we're also, right now, we figured out a system where we can help you send emails through our software. 300 emails per day can be done for absolutely free. We've got a system where we can help you set that up. There is a small setup fee of $35 to be able to set that up, but it's a one-time fee. It's not a monthly fee, it's a one-time fee, and it's set, and we have all the emails in your system where all you have to do is customize it with your logo, your phone number, your whatever you want to customize it with, and you can change the email. All of it is totally customizable, or you pay us a small fee and we can customize that for you. We also have thank you and reminder postcards available starting at 40 cents a piece. Depending on how many that you're sending at any given time, we can do these 4x6-inch postcards to remind and thank your clients for as little as 40 cents a piece. So what this is all about is making your entire client marketing automated. I am a big believer on marketing back to your past clients, and this is all about automating this whole thing for you and thrilling your clients, getting more referrals, getting more repeat clients. So now let's go over to the software for just a minute, and I'm going to show you some of the emails that we've got set up inside of the software. Okay, so here we are inside of the software, and we have emails set up for the next year, and we're going to be putting these emails automatically in all of the Ad Club members' profiles for their software, to where all they need to do is first they have to hook up the service. Again, there's a $35 charge on our end that we will charge you if you want us to hook it up. If you're very internet in tune, you can probably do it yourself, but it would probably be beneficial for us to do it for you because it would be a little bit smoother. But it's a one-time fee, it's not a monthly fee, and we will actually go through and put all of these emails into your software to where all you need to do is go through and customize any of it that you'd like. Now, we've got them usually 2 to 3 emails per month. I recommend that you send 2 emails per month. You can send 1, you can send more than that if you want to add more. It doesn't really matter, but we've got them usually based on a holiday or based on the season. Again, you can change it, you can tweak it. If you don't like that particular email, you can remove it. Whatever that you want to do, not a problem, not a big deal. For instance, this is a St. Patrick's Day email, the 5 deadly myths that are deadly to your carpet and rugs, and we list these out here. At the bottom, it's got a link to your website, maybe a special offer. You can change that. Pop in your logo. If the logo's there, you can change that out. Change whatever information that you want to change, or even delete the email entirely. It doesn't matter. But all of that is already done for you, ready to use, ready to check out, ready to use. And basically, it's entirely set to educate. And for instance, this is an email where we ask the question of what stains can be removed from carpet and rugs. And we also have other emails where we educate and talk about, we'll pull up our actual email browser here, 3 reasons to get your carpet and rugs clean now. This is a good spring email that we've got here. This is one that we did for Valentine's Day. This is another one coming up for Happy Independence, 4th of July for the United States. Sparkling clean tile and grout. We've got some that educate on fabric protection. Holiday emails, again, they're not all holiday based, they're not all education based. There's a big, wide variety of different types of emails, again, to educate them about Scotchgard, what that really does. We've got some for water damage restoration. A lot of different types of emails, a lot of different services that you're going to be doing, and we'll be adding more as time goes by, because you don't want to keep educating your clients about the same thing, but yet the repetition is really, really important too. But all of these are set. All you have to do is change out your logo and your phone number. Again, for a small fee, we can even do that for you as well. But super important to educate your past clients, to keep in front of them, to remind them. Now, how do you actually get to email your clients? You can either upload your list. There's a little portal where you can upload your entire list. You can have it sync through QuickBooks Online and some other software services that are scheduling software you can link through and actually sync with as well. But all of the emails are in your account. The next 12 months of emails, 2 to 3 emails per month. And again, all you need to do is change your logo, your contact information, and initially just do the setup. We can do that for you for a small charge. Do the setup of getting the emails synced with our software. So that's it. Automate your marketing. Do it. Right now, we're offering the software free of charge. The only thing that you're responsible for is the small setup fee if you want to use any of the emails, or if you want to do any of the actual email marketing automation, which this is automated marketing software. So you'll want to do that. That's what all of this is about. But after that, there's no monthly charges, no monthly fees. We're going to be ending that very, very soon, even for Ad Club members. So I highly recommend that you look into it now. Once you're a member, you have to be a member first. We can set up a free consultation for you, a free setup of the software, and then the only thing that you would be responsible for is any of the setup to link the email marketing and text marketing to your software. That's it. No regular monthly fees except for your Ad Club membership. That's all. Guys, this offer is ending really soon, so jump on it. Very, very soon. As soon as we get enough people signed up for the software, we're going to be changing that, and there will be an extra fee for that. So look at the link below the video. Sign up now. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, john@hitmanadvertising.com. Thanks.